Hello my friend, this is Ashik from Mould Company Limited. Our company located in Mould, Tongguan City, China. Today I am going to show you our workshop number 1. You can see here many CNC machines. Our technician doing some work. Here is the steel part machining work. We have this 3 CNC machine for steel part making, and we have 2 EDM machine for EDM work. This is our tooling room. Our technician set up the mold here. So many mold come for new modification. You can see here we have more than 6 machines for mold testing. In the next video I will show you how to test the mold.